The question is, how many types of cells are present in phloem? Write their function. So what we know about phloem is that it is the conducting tissue which is going to conduct food across the parts of the plant. So phloem is a vascular tissue in plants which is responsible for transporting sugar, that is the food, which is produced by photosynthesis in leaves, and from this leaves it is going to take it to the other parts of the plant. Now talking about the types of cells which is making the phloem. So phloem is made up of four types of cell. The first one being sieve tube element. So this sieve tube are the elongated cells and they have perforated end walls at which there are certain pores present, and that entire thing is called as sieve plate, and they are the primary cells which are going to transport the sugar and other nutrient from one part to another. Now, the next type of cell that we have is the companion cell. So these cells will remain closely associated with the sieve tube element and provide them with the metabolic support, including protein synthesis and energy supply. So basically these companion cells are going to help the sieve tube element. The third type of cell that is there is called as phloem parenchyma, and being parenchyma cell, its main function is storage. So parenchyma cells, that is phloem parenchyma, is going to store the food substances like starch, and it is also going to do one more function, that is it will aid in the lateral transport of the material. And this parenchyma also have the wound healing capacity, and apart from this it is also going to store the secondary metabolites which are produced. The last type of cell which is present in phloem is called as phloem fiber. Remember one thing, that three cells which we have studied till now were living cells, but this phloem fiber is going to be a dead cell, and these cells are elongated with very thick cell wall. Since their cell wall is very thick, it is going to provide the structural support to the phloem tissue. Apart from this, it is also going to give the mechanical strength and protection. So all these cells together are going to form the phloem tissue, and they'll ensure the efficient transport of food material throughout the plant.